Try that again, please.
It decline again, miss. I have another card or cash or something. This is a health card, miss. Void.
Oh, excuse me. I'll help her.
You help me?
Yes.
So, oh, you so nice, you sure?
Yeah, man, run our family.
You enjoy the little piece, they don't. That is nothing compared to what we have in store. I'm say store, I mean store we gonna shop. I'm trying to be funny. I'm not that funny. You know what I'm ex tell me say you stop run joke. You're not funny. The only jokes you can give are sexual jokes. So just hush your mouth. So that's why when we create a channel, I don't really talk that much. I just watch video and keep silent. But anyways, few videos ago, I beg you to like a video and the likes them good on. So I beg you to like the video for me, please. By liking the video, you're helping the channel grow. I appreciate the like. Now, let's watch, laugh, and laugh some more. Don't eat no rice, just drink water.
Put this on first.
Hey, you know, so I come and play and drop in a patrol.
I just strike goal. Yeah.
Yo, Blicker dog, how you just buy?
Yo. One shot man out the road like a wild man. She look rich like she have enough money. So me just pop off something off her.
Yo, y'all going rough. Yo, Blicker dog, you are the CEO of a Grab and Flee Unlimited.
So you go on. Yo. Just tell her some of the cash she go. Just take off her chain and I ring them off her finger and grab away money. Watch her. Go watch her. Cake soap. Bleaching cream. And cartel CD.
One shot, man. And she look like she have bleach. And she have enough tattoo. You know what?
No. Let me see it now. ID night.
Yeah, check it. Yo, Bill, man. You have a Bill.
Yo, tell you, man.
You know who about this? A Tanisha Jobson,
How old him, sir?
a.k.a. Shardy, Shark Boss,
How old him, sir?
Cartel Baby Mother.
Ninja man neighbor.
SSP Louis niece, little cousin.
Ready to have goddaughter that.
You call her dog.
Not here.
Yo, you never see me. Don't call me name.
Two things me have to tell you.
What that?
Number two, me never there.
So,
Never.
you not tell me number one. What me fi do?
Carry it back.
And that for you to look a dirty, nasty thief in boy, them man. Both in take where are all the goals that you took off our finger? You all lied. Eh? No, you're not problem. Your thief is wrong person bag. Adams are come for you. Gunman are come for you. Only thing you got is some bleaching cream. Remember back in the days when everybody used to thief your phone. Remember the days and carry go unlock and use your phone. Wicked piece of hack, man. Anyways, all thief forget off. Moving forward.
I beg you move out of my way. Mr. Principal, I need to talk to you.
Excuse me, can I help you?
Yes, I hear you want to medicate my grandson.
Medicaid?
Yes.
What are you talking about?
I hear the minister is doing tablet to students. After an offensive, he looks sick to you.
Ma'am, the tablets are aimed at helping the students to learn and study better. They have antivirus.
A antivirus in your face. No, the minister feels them can medicate the logobis them. He need to decide whether he is a minister, physician or vet. Let me tell you something now. You see, if you're not giving me grandson tablet, I'm going to take him out of school. You're not going to turn him into no drug addict.
Ma'am, this is a tablet.
Then like that you don't want him to swallow?
Father, take the wheel. I can't drive come here tonight. Take the wheel, father. Country come a town, man. Poor country lady don't understand what go on. Oh gosh, enough of this happening in a pandemic the other day, no, man. when the kids were doing school online. What kind of line? The only line we have a fence line, closed line, line for the ground. Poor thing, poor grandma don't understand. And then grandma say, and this is what thing swallow. Jesus, pity mouse. Jaja. Anyways, we have one more left. And we'll jump on it, or jump in it, or jump on it. Me know say it's nice. If you don't like your video, make you like your video, man. Jesus.
The car declined, miss.
Why are you talking so loud? Please forgive me that. Try that again, please.
It declined again, miss. I have another card or cash or something. This is a health card, miss. Void.
Oh, excuse me. I'll help her.
You'll help me?
Yes.
So, oh, you so nice. You sure?
Yeah, man, run our family.
Oh, Jesus. Thank you. You know what? Let me take a selfie. Hold. We make you so nice.
Family.
My goodness. Ben, man. Yes, goody. Can you believe it? I just met an angel in the supermarket. My goodness. Me don't know how me lucky so. Them good things here always happen to me. Why, may I tell you, I just feel so good. But you know what?
Excuse me.
May I tell you?
Miss, the man attacked you. The man attacked you.
Where you take, which island take this from again?
But if you use the pints, the man done good. You might have could have paid for something you just catch a while ago.
Big up IT and Fancy Cat. Jesus. I don't know who are the writer. I believe say a Fancy a writer, you know. IT Cat is a man who just love eat. Food. While Fancy Cat eat, IT a write. This was funny. I was not thinking along that line where a man gonna put back every goddamn thing. Even things ain't gonna pop out in car and pay for the lady. Boy, oh boy, Jano star. Can't stop laugh. Me hope you know have a good laugh just as I had a good laugh. Me love laugh, that's why I react to funny videos. Me not too like talking up, but YouTube say yo, if you just a post and a watch, a problem that. So yeah, if you don't like the content over here, like the video, man. By liking the video, you help the channel, you help me, you help everybody. And more laughter for you as well. So just stay safe and take care of yourself and take care of your family, and God bless.